Seniors, most people will never tell you this, but after 50, your body still has a hidden ability to build real muscle, and it has nothing to do with heavy weights or expensive steak dinners. Most people assume aging means you need massive portions of red meat or chalky protein shakes just to stop muscle loss. But the surprising truth is your digestion changes with age, and sometimes one incredibly cheap seed that you've been ignoring your whole life can spark muscle growth faster than a steak ever could. Researchers have shown that specific plant-based proteins, when they have the right bioavailability, actually outperform animal proteins in seniors because they bypass the digestive bottlenecks that slow you down. Today, you're going to discover 5 overlooked seeds that act like high-octane fuel for aging muscles. These are not bird food. They are nutrient-dense powerhouses that target circulation, hormones, and cellular repair in ways meat simply cannot match. And yes, number 2 is the seed that acts like a direct switch for the hormones that control your strength, yet almost nobody eats it. Before we begin, comment below, what is your main protein source right now? And do you feel it's working for you? We read every comment to tailor our future content. Now let's get started, and be ready, because number 5 will change the way you look at a common summer fruit forever. Seed number 5, sprouted watermelon seeds. You've probably spent your entire life spitting these out. Most seniors look at watermelon seeds and see nothing but waste or a nuisance. But we're not talking about the hard black pits you find in the fruit. We're talking about shelled, sprouted watermelon seeds. The soft white kernels that are quietly becoming one of the most potent superfoods on the planet. They're incredibly protein-dense, even more than almonds or sunflower seeds. But the real secret isn't the protein count, it's a specific amino acid called arginine. As you age, your blood vessels naturally stiffen and constrict, like a kink in a garden hose. You may eat plenty of protein, but if your circulation is weak, those nutrients never reach the muscles that need them. Arginine converts into nitric oxide, a powerful vasodilator. This signals the lining of your blood vessels to relax and open up, allowing oxygen and nutrients to flood your muscles during activity. This is why many seniors experience cold hands, cold feet, and muscles that fatigue quickly, even on a simple walk. Research from the University of Seville found that an arginine-enriched diet improved tissue perfusion and reduced oxidative stress in aging subjects. In simple words, the fuel actually reaches the engine. Watermelon seeds also contain iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen in the blood. Without iron, muscles can't generate the energy needed for movement, leading to that heavy, tired feeling in the legs. But here's the key. You cannot just swallow the black seeds from the fruit. They pass through your system. You must buy sprouted, shelled watermelon seeds, available in health stores or online. They taste like a lighter, nuttier sunflower seed. Add 2 tablespoons to your morning yogurt or sprinkle over a salad. This simple addition opens the circulation and ensures nutrients reach your muscles. But once the road is open, you need to protect the engine itself. Seed number 4, black sesame seeds. This seed is often dismissed as a garnish on a hamburger bun. Most people know white sesame seeds, but for seniors, the white variety has been stripped of its medicinal value. You need unhulled black sesame seeds. These tiny dark seeds are packed with calcium, more than milk by weight. Seniors obsess over calcium for bones, but they forget that muscle contraction is impossible without it. Every movement requires calcium ions to flood muscle fibers and trigger contraction. If you're calcium deficient, your body enters a catabolic state, stealing minerals from bones and weakening muscle function to keep your heart beating. Black sesame seeds provide a massive non-dairy calcium boost that stops this mineral theft. But the real reason this seed is ranked number 4 is a unique lignin called sesamin. As you age, muscle cells face constant oxidative stress, biological rust. This damages mitochondria, the power plants inside your cells. When mitochondria fail, muscles weaken and waste away, known as sarcopenia. Research from Kyoto University showed that sesame acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting tissues from oxidative damage. It's like a shield for your muscle cells, preventing them from rusting from the inside. Black sesame also contains fiber and iron, but the sesame lignin is the star. Here's the catch. The outer shell of black sesame is tough. If you eat them whole, they may pass through intact and you absorb nothing. You must grind them lightly in a coffee grinder or mortar and pestle, or chew until they form a paste. Aim for 1 tablespoon daily. Sprinkle over oatmeal, rice, or steamed vegetables. This seed protects what you already have. And now we move to the seed that helps you rebuild while you sleep. Seed number 3, Sacha Inchi seeds, Inca peanut. We traveled to the Peruvian Amazon to find a seed that has been a staple for centuries. Sacha Inchi is technically a seed, not a nut, and it's one of the most complete plant proteins on Earth. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, with a protein content close to 30% by weight. But the reason it's ranked number 3 isn't just the protein, it's tryptophan. Most seniors don't realize muscle growth happens while you sleep. Deep sleep is when your body releases HGH, human growth hormone, the master architect of lean muscle. After 50, HGH production drops sharply. On top of that, seniors often wake up multiple times a night, missing the deep sleep stages needed for muscle repair. Sacha Inchi is rich in tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, neurotransmitters that regulate sleep. By eating a food rich in tryptophan, you're giving your brain the raw materials it needs for deep, restorative sleep. A study confirms Sacha Inchi's exceptional nutrient density and fatty acid profile. It's also one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fats, which reduce inflammation that disrupts sleep. Think of Sacha Inchi as your recovery tool. Without it, you're trying to build a house while the workers are on strike. You can find Sacha Inchi roasted and salted like peanuts, or as a powder for smoothies. Eat 1 ounce in the late afternoon or with dinner. This timing allows your body to process tryptophan and convert it into sleep hormones. You'll wake up more rested and your muscles will finally have time to rebuild. Seed number 2, pumpkin seeds. This is a common seed you probably only think about in October. Pumpkin seeds are praised for fiber, but that's the least exciting part. For seniors, pumpkin seeds are the zinc king of the plant world. Your ability to build muscle depends on hormones. Anabolic hormones like testosterone in men and growth factors in women decline with age. You can eat all the protein you want, but if your hormone signal is weak, that protein won't turn into muscle. Zinc is a non-negotiable cofactor for hormone production. A deficiency acts like a metabolic brake, telling your body to conserve rather than build. Research from Wayne State University found zinc status was directly linked to testosterone levels in older adults. When zinc intake dropped, testosterone dropped. When zinc was supplemented, levels improved. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium, an energy spark plug for ATP production. If you hit a wall 5 minutes into a workout or your muscles tremble during simple tasks, you may be low in magnesium. Pumpkin seeds provide the energy you need for resistance movements that stimulate growth. Use raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds. Avoid heavily salted or oily versions. You need about 1/4 cup per day, ideally as a mid-morning snack. The healthy fats keep you full, and the minerals start optimizing your hormonal environment immediately. You're setting the stage for growth. Now you need the ultimate material to build with. Seed number 1, hemp hearts. This is the most powerful seed for senior muscle health. Hemp hearts are simply shelled hemp seeds, and they are the ultimate nutritional weapon for anyone over 50. You may wonder why a seed can beat a steak. The answer is digestion. As you age, stomach acid decreases, hypochlorhydria. This makes breaking down red meat's tough protein fibers harder. Many seniors eat meat but absorb only a fraction of the protein because digestion cannot unlock it. This leads to bloating, gas, and fatigue. Hemp hearts solve this problem completely. They contain a unique globular protein called edestan. Edestan is structurally similar to protein in your blood plasma, which makes it extremely easy to digest. Your body doesn't fight to break it down. It dissolves into amino acids almost immediately. That means instant fuel for muscle repair. Cornell University research confirmed hemp seed protein's high digestibility and amino acid profile. Unlike many plant sources, hemp is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Most importantly, it's high in leucine, the amino acid that acts as the on switch for muscle protein synthesis. For seniors, the leucine threshold is higher than for younger people. You need a concentrated dose to trigger growth, and hemp delivers it, without inflammation or digestive strain. 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts contain about 10 grams of high-quality protein, more than an egg. yet in a form you can sprinkle on anything. They have a soft texture and mild buttery taste that blends into oatmeal, soups, salads, or smoothies. You don't need to chew through tough fibers, just add them to your meals. For best results, aim for 3 tablespoons daily. This ensures you hit the leucine threshold needed to maintain muscle mass. By choosing a protein that works with your aging digestive system, you finally give your body the chance to grow strong again. These 5 seeds aren't just snacks. They're biological tools that target the specific bottlenecks of aging. Watermelon seeds open blood flow. Black sesame protects mitochondria. Sacha inchi improves sleep recovery. Pumpkin seeds optimize hormones. Hemp hearts provide digestible building blocks. You don't have to accept weakness as a normal part of aging. You can change your body chemistry with every bite you take. Start with 1 seed tomorrow. See how your energy shifts. Then add another as you build a nutritional strategy that keeps you strong, capable, and independent. Your body is waiting for the right fuel. Comment below, which seed surprised you the most? Do you already eat seeds in a way we didn't mention? Share your experience. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.